Hello everyone, I'm Adam. In this problem, we're going to find the equations of the lines through the point 2, 1 that are parallel and perpendicular to the line given by our equation here, 4x minus 2y equal to 3. Now a quick review, when we're trying to find equations of lines that are parallel and perpendicular, basically has to do with the slopes, right? We know that two lines that are going to be parallel to each other have the same slope, and lines that are perpendicular to each other will have negative reciprocal slopes. So, what we want to do is first try and find the slope of what this line would have. And so how we can do that, put this in a little more user-friendly form, is we'll just rewrite our equation in, say, slope-intercept form. Or in other words, solve it for y. So y equals mx plus b is what we want to get. So we have 4x minus 2y equal to 3, so we'll subtract our 4x. So we'll have 2y equal to, say, negative 4x plus 3. And we want to solve for y. So to get rid of our negative 2, we can either divide by negative 2 or, say, multiply through both sides by, say, negative 1/2. So multiplying through on our left, that'll give us positive y, or y without the negative 2. And y is equal to, so multiplying through with negative 1/2, we'll have positive 2x minus 3/2. Okay, and so here we can see clearly that our slope is equal to 2. And so if we want to find a line that's parallel to this, and we know that line is going to have slope 2, and we also know that line is going to go through the point with coordinates 2, 1. So to help us find that, we can use the point slope form of an equation of a line. So y minus y1 is equal to slope m times x minus x1, where our m, the slope, is going to be the same as the slope of our line here, m equal to 2. And our y1 and x1 are going to be the coordinates of our point up here. So plugging those in, we'll have y minus 1 is equal to our slope 2 times x minus x coordinate of 2. And now we can just simplify this. So we have y minus 1 is equal to, again, multiply through with our 2, equal to 2x minus 4, and add our 1 to both sides. So y is equal to 2x minus 3. So there's the equation of a line that's parallel to our given one and goes through the point 2, 1. And so we have a parallel line, and we also want to find one that's perpendicular. Okay, now we're going to start by using our point slope form to help us again, because we know this line wants to go through, we want this line to go through our point 2, 1. So y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1. But now, like we said, for a perpendicular line, the slope here has to be the negative reciprocal of the slope of our line over here. So m in this case is going to be the negative reciprocal, or negative 1 over 2, or negative 1/2. And so like before, we're going to plug in our y and x coordinate. So we have y minus 1 is equal to the slope, negative 1/2, times x minus 2. And we'll distribute our negative 1/2 here. So we have y minus 1 is equal to, say, negative 1/2 x and plus 1. And then add our 1 to both sides. So y is equal to negative 1/2 x, say, plus 2. So there's the equation of a line that goes through our point 2, 1 and is perpendicular to our line. Thank you very much.